I haven't seen everything yet. Still lots of time. I think I saw yes, there is.
I've got single slips and double slips.
Right.
I'm wondering if I can get logic with the LEDs.
I'll just do this.
Yeah. So you've got that LED for crossing over. Right, so
Yeah. No, he said, I'm not doing it all the time. What's the switch?
right. Yeah. That's now, so you can now come into there, yeah. So that's taking you into there, because that's luckily with the... Yeah, I get a short on one route of the single slip. So you have to set one of them, what you think is against you, but it's not actually, and it doesn't work.
Yeah, well, you've got double slip.
And it's absolutely, it's fine on the handset, but it's just getting the LED logic on control panel. It's going to have to use that. Yeah, but you've got the switch. You've got the switch. If I set it on here, take the LED.
There's two switches.
Yeah, one of them I've used for the push button. So I've got one other switch, but if I then, so I'm using the frog wire to switch the LED, then I think if I take the LED back to the point motor, yeah, I thought about interlocking the signals and another one. Yeah. Problem is he's on the railway and another friend of ours is on the railway. So I know you can't do it like that.
I'm going to try and get it a little slightly different. Oh yeah, you've got to have a better rule, but
yeah, because I mean the control panel I can just unplug previously,
There's a little bit.